In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube subscriber link. You may want to create a YouTube subscriber link so that you can share it on other social media platforms or add it to your description in your YouTube videos. I'm going to jump on a computer and show you how to create a YouTube subscriber link. All you need to do to create a subscriber link is to add a small bit of code to the end of your channel name. This method will work whether you have a custom URL or not. The code you need to add is on screen now, and you can also see it's here as well. And it is simply !sub_confirmation equals 1. Note that you cannot subscribe to your own channel. This has been a problem before where people trying to add a subscriber link thinking it was not working. You cannot subscribe to your own channel. As mentioned before, this will work whether you have a custom URL or not. Basically, any of your channel URLs will work. For example, youtube.com/DesHerbert, and then I'll add the code at the end, or youtube.com/C/DesHerbert, and then add the code, or I can have the channel with the numbers at the end, which you can see here. Add this code to the end of your URL. The code is in the description below. Just add it to the end of your URL and you're ready to share. Go forth and share away. You can also add this to the bottom of your video descriptions to get more chance for people to subscribe to your channel. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more videos like this on YouTube, tips, tools and strategies, consider subscribing. Check out some of the other content on this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.